Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and automation. Today we are diving into an exciting project, distance meter with ultrasonic sensor and 8x8 LED matrix with Arduino using FreeRTOS. We will create here 3 tasks to run ultrasonic sensor, 8x8 LED matrix to print the distance and buzzer. Let us get started step by step. Here is what we are working with: breadboard, an Arduino Nano, HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor, buzzer and 8x8 LED matrix with max 7219 driver. Now let us connect the pin. For the ultrasonic sensor, echo pin is connected to D2, trig pin is connected to D3, VCC pin is connected to VIN or 5V, ground pin is connected to ground. For the buzzer, positive pin is connected to D7 and ground pin is connected to ground. And for the LED matrix, data pin is connected to D11, chip select pin is connected to D10 and clock pin is connected to D13. VCC pin is connected to VIN or 5V and ground pin is connected to ground. Alright, that is our hardware setup. Now let us move ahead. Open the Arduino IDE. Let us install LED control library. Go to the library manager and search LED control. These are search result. Click over here to install. You can see library is being installed. Okay, library has been installed. I have prepared the code. Let us understand line by line. FreeRTOS and LED control header files are included here. These are pin definition for ultrasonic sensor, 8x8 LED matrix and buzzer. Okay. LED matrix control is initialized using data in, clock and chip select pin. Declared and initialize the distance _cm variable which store the distance in centimeter. This is 8x8 bitmap representations hex for digit 0 to 9 on the LED matrix. Serial is initialized with 9600 baud rate. Set the trig pin as output and echo pin as input. Wake up the LED matrix from power saving mode and set the intensity is 8. Clear the display and set the buzzer pin as output. I have created here 3 tasks: ultrasonic task, display task and buzzer task. All the task priority is 1. This is ultrasonic task function definition. It will calculate the distance and assign the distance value in global variable distance _cm, right? Next, this is display task function definition. It helps to display the distance on LED matrix up to 9 cm. Okay. Next is buzzer task function definition. In this function, if distance will be less than 9 cm, then it start making sound. Alright, this is the code. Now it is time to build and upload the code. So first of all, go to the tool and select the board. I am using Arduino Nano and select the correct COM port of your board. Most important is processor. Select the 8MEGA328P with old bootloader, right? Now click on upload. Yes, the code has uploaded successfully. You can see distance is printing on LED matrix and buzzer is making sound as per the distance. Okay, and that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this project on multitasking with FreeRTOS and Arduino. If you found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.